Hello everyone, how are you? Welcome to another online English class. As always, I am teacher Lorena and we're gonna start with this. As you know, we have been checking some vocabulary and also grammar. And right now, we're gonna start with more vocabulary, okay? We're gonna check about Unit 7, some of the vocabulary and grammar that it's also on the unit. So further in the class of Zoom, we can continue practicing, okay? So first of all, I want to explain some of the words and then we're gonna practice. Don't forget, please, to take your notes because it's very important for you. So let's start. Okay, as you can see, in here we have the vocabulary of maps, okay? So yeah, we have some maps vocabulary that we are going to check, okay? We already checked about weather, about some of those things about like sunny, rainy, cloudy, snowy, okay? And right now we're going to check the vocabulary that we use. For example, when you go camping, you can find some of these things while you walk or while you do some activities. So first of all, I think the images are a little bit small. So I try to make them bigger and I'm going to show them to you using my Google so you can know better which one is like those ones, okay? So in here we have maps and it says a stream following down a ravine, okay? So in here we have like the short or the small image and in the top we have more pictures, okay? But how can you define in Spanish steam? Can you guess? Stream, sorry. So yeah, I am going to write it in here. And it could be like this one, un arroyo. Or, yeah, it's not common, but of water, okay? Corriente o arroyo, a stream. And then we have ravine, okay? What is that word? It could be like that, according to the context, okay, of the picture. So yeah. Then we have the second picture and it says, a path through the woods, okay? I also have in here like the exact, I think it's exact same picture as you can see, or something really alike. Well, it's alike, okay? So in here you can see that this is the path, okay? This is the path and this is the forest. As you know what does forest mean. So this is the forest and this is the path, okay? So yeah, excellent. The next we have a marsh or swamp on the edge of a lake, okay? So in here we have like the lake, okay? But the meaning of marsh or swamp, it's like, let me find the text. Like pantano, maybe, okay? So this is like the closest meaning, okay? At the edge of a lake, so not in the middle, it's at the edge, okay? Como a la orilla, so yeah. Later we have a road across a dam forming a reservoir. I think in French is like reservoir, but yeah. So in here, I'm gonna show you like the picture, which is, well, first we have the road, okay? And this is a road, as you can see, the road where all the cars are like going, coming and going, okay? And in here we have a dam, okay? A dam is the thing that contains the water. So you contain the water in a dam, and as you can see in the picture, you can see like in here the road, and you can see the dam and the, like in here, forming a reservoir. It's like a deposit or something of water. So yeah, that's what that means. So excellent. Then we also have this part, okay? So first we have in here the compass rose. This is what is going to show you where is the north, where is the south, where is the east, and where is the west. So you are going to find out where you are using the compass. Then picnic area, you have the area where you can eat and all that stuff. Then the scale is like the kilometers maybe. And here we have 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, okay? Longitude and latitude, like the where you are depending on the ocean or something like that. The contour lines, which are like the perimeter, okay? And the boundary, it's the place where you cannot go out, okay? It's a specific area, okay? So you cannot go out from this place. So yeah, those are the words. And we have a just for fun part, which says, do you really think you can run faster than the bear? I don't have to run faster than the bear. I just have to run faster than you. So you know what that means, okay? So, excellent. Now let's go check a little bit of grammar and then we'll finish. So right now we have regrets, okay? Things that you wish they didn't happen, but they happened because of a reason, okay? So basically a regret is right now in quarantine, maybe I am hungrier than any day and I am eating and I am eating and maybe I'm getting fat and I am, oh no, I wish I hadn't eaten all the food on my fridge, maybe, because now I don't feel good with myself, okay? So basically, regrets are the things that you wish they never happened. So yeah, we have a lot of ways to talk about regrets, but right now we're gonna use 3 forms, okay? The first way is to use if only plus the past perfect, okay? And here we have an example. I can't believe we got suspended from school. If only we hadn't cheated on the exam. So they cheated on the exam, so they got suspended. That is like the regret. They regret having cheating on the exam. So we have, if only, we have the person, in this case is we because they are like 2 people, And we have past perfect, hadn't cheated. Okay, that is the answer. Then we have wish plus past perfect. We're gonna use the past perfect for or to express regrets. Okay, I failed my exam. I wish I hadn't wasted so much time watching TV instead of studying. So yeah, maybe that person was really watching TV, watching Netflix or something like that, and they didn't study enough. So what happened? I wish I hadn't wasted so much time doing other things rather than studying. Okay? I wish, you have the wish, you also have the person again, and the past perfect, hadn't wasted. And finally, we have should or shouldn't have plus past participle. Sorry, I should have asked before calling Australia on your cell phone. I'll pay the bill. Or I shouldn't have gossiped about my friend. Now she's really upset. Okay? So now in here we're gonna use should, shouldn't, have, and the past participle of the verb. Okay? Which I think is present perfect, but yeah. So we have should or shouldn't, have, and past participle. Don't forget to copy this information because it's important for you to have it, okay? Copy this, pause the video so you can know all this for further reference, okay? And finally, we have match the sentence halves, okay? And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 5 squares. So we have already answered number 1. I shouldn't have spent so much money on clothes. And it's, I would have some left for the class ski trip. So yeah. Then we have number 2. I wish I hadn't been so rude to my science teacher. What would be the correct answer or the correct completing for that sentence? So, yes. For number 2, I am gonna write it in here. He wouldn't have sent me to the principal's office, okay? So, later we have number 3. I should have helped my mom with the housework yesterday. She'd be more willing to help me with my homework. Okay, so in this case we have number 3. Then number 4. If only I hadn't left my laptop on the bus, what do you think it would be the correct answer? Excellent. I wouldn't have to borrow my computer's brother. And finally, number 5. If only I hadn't missed class so often, I wouldn't have to study so hard for the final exam. Okay? So, excellent, very good. Just to finish, oh my goodness, sorry. To finish with this, we have just for fun part, and it says, Sir, I have some bad news and some even worse news. What's the bad news? We have only 24 hours to live. What news can probably be worse than that? I should have told you yesterday. So yeah, pretty bad news. So if you get until this point of the video, please write on the Zoom chat, bad news, okay? And that will give you extra decimals. So please don't forget to write it if you get until this point of the video, okay? Have an excellent day. I'm gonna see you in a couple of minutes. Take care, goodbye, see you.